Table of contents. 1. What is ethical hacking? 2. Role of an ethical hacker. 3. What is the attraction of an ethical hacking career? 4. 10 steps to become an ethical hacker. 5. What are the stages of a career in ethical hacking? 6. How to become an ethical hacker with zero experience. 7. What tools do ethical hackers use? 8. Difference between an ethical hacker and a penetration tester. 9. What can you expect as an ethical hacker? 10. How to gain experience as an ethical hacker. 11. Typical ethical hacking assignments. 12. Basic hacking skills. 13. What is the outlook for ethical hackers? 14. Conclusion. The word hacker originally defined a skilled programmer proficient in machine code and computer operating systems. Today, a hacker is a person who consistently engages in hacking activities and has accepted hacking as a lifestyle and philosophy of their choice. Hacking is the practice of modifying the features of a system to accomplish a goal outside of the creator's original purpose. Before understanding how to become an ethical hacker, let us understand more about the role